Babaho nila!
Welcome to Thames, guys. Welcome to Thames.
The discipline of structured problem solving. It is the ability.
Why are you shy?
I'm not. Hi guys. Katatapos lang ng klase ko, hindi na ako magdi-dinner. Uubusin ko na lang itong cheesecake kasi sayang. Hi guys. Time check. 2:16 na madaling araw. Ang sakit na likod ko. Ang sakit na likod ko. Hindi pa ako natutulog kasi may tinatapos lang ako na mga assignments. Module 3 na. Kasi week 3 na to. And kita nyo yan, nakalagay due April 23. Late pa ako ng isang araw. Siguro last na to and then matutulog na ako. So, yun lang. Good night, guys.
Which you like new, given also module MC57 new staff, and it will be those are still the best, so that the rules can apply to you.
The discipline of structured problem solving. It is the ability to solve problem with clear plan, not just depending on their luck or emotion or guessing the outcome.
Every year. Important. Yeah. Yes. So how do you see? Where do you see yourself 20 years down the road? How old are you today?
25.
Develop the structured problem-solving system.
Tapos na yung first class ko. Next naman is this one. Tayo ko pa na makapasok dun sa Zoom. Ayan na. Yan yung teacher namin, si Sir Jethro. Hello sir, good morning po. Buti na lang kasi si Sir Jethro hindi niya minamandatory na mag-open cam kami. So, it's really nice.
Once we know them better, our target users or
Different.
Magtanong tayo, Ella, kaya mo na yan ah.
Huy!
bye, happy lunch everyone. You.
Ayan, just... wala pang tao, guys. Hello, Thames. Very convenient pala, no? Kapag meron ka lang plain na white shoes, kahit saan magagamit mo talaga. Ang dali lang niya linisin. Like, punas-punas lang. Hindi kasi siya tela. Ano? It's not tela. Well, of course, wag mo lang talaga siya idaan sa mga putik. Ang satisfying kapag ang linis ng sapatos. Dinala ko din yung heels ko. As you can see, parehas silang white kasi sobrang daling pagayan ng color white. Gamit na gamit to sa akin. Ito na lang din maaga ako dumating kasi may time ako para linisan yung mga shoes and sandal ko. Yep, I'm done. Yung dinala ko lang today is isang pair ng shoes, isang pair ng sandal, tapos eto, para dun sa sporty attire. Sa shoot namin ngayon, we have to bring our own set of attire. Lima ang outfit ko. So yung first outfit is sporty attire. So eto na yun. Very demure ang atake ko dito. Ha? So this one, very casual. This one naman, casual din na medyo ito mini dress pero ano, for extra lang, just in case. Hi.
Daytime massage.
Ang ganda.
Vlogger! Nahiya. Why are you shy?
I'm not.
Yabang? Welcome to Thames, guys. Welcome to Thames. You know,
Boy Mullet.
yeah, we don't really speak in Tagalog. Study
English?
Thames. English only. Yes. What happened, Bella?
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again?
We speak Thamian.
Damien,
Thamian.
Hi guys! So this is my third outfit.